Mihlali is madly in love with Leeroy Sidambe and she's not hiding it anymore. Mihlali has been sharing videos about love, you guys. And in one video, she talked about how love is a beautiful thing and that a person should date if they have a chance. And on the second video, she posted this beautiful video of her and Leeroy smooching, you guys, today on Leeroy's birthday. Happy birthday to Leeroy, you guys. Please check out this beautiful videos.
Date. Highly recommend it. If you have a chance, just date. Do you know how nice it is having someone like call you during the day, Jay, randomly at 12 just to check, hi my baby, how's your day going? Have you eaten? I love you so much. Yeah, yes, low feeling, you're cared for. Yo.